Get some horizontal lines and make your wall wider. Horizontal lines on wall brings down ceiling and increases depth of the room. Remember last video where we discussed about how vertical lines on wall makes room look longer than actually it is. Well, now it's turn of horizontal lines. Horizontal lines will make your room look wider. It makes ceiling appear lower. Applies to wall, furniture or any item that you see. If it is with horizontal lines, it will make it look wider. Hence, if you are dealing with a room that is small and walls are very close to each other, horizontal lines on wall will make it appear wider. Now you know how vertical and horizontal lines affect your perception. Start observing world around you. Believe me, in next few hours, you will come across many objects around you which has used this concept knowingly or unknowingly. Always remember, horizontal lines on wall makes your eye move sidewards and makes room appear wider.